Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Mastodon account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. That's located in our top right corner. So we're going to go ahead and click on that icon there. Now, while we're in our settings, we're going to swipe up to the boring zone. And now we're going to select the first option we have there, account settings. Now we're going to select continue. Now we are in our account settings, so we're going to slide down till it takes us to delete account. That's the last option we have. So if we want to delete the account, now we're going to click on proceed here. That's in purple and underlined. So in order to delete your account, you have to enter your password. Enter your password real quick, and then you're going to click on delete account, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.